Good evening. So nandito na naman po tayo para magbigay ng konting kaalaman regarding inspection sa mga concrete batching plant. Okay guys, when inspecting a concrete batching plant, the scope usually covers safety, quality, environmental and operational compliance. Okay, let's have this comprehensive checklist things you need to look for. Okay, number one is documentation compliance. So under this documentation compliance, we have a valid permit and licenses that we need to look at. The risk assessment and job safety analysis, standard operating procedure for mixing and loading of maintenance, calibration of certificate for weighing scale, moisture meters and batching equipment, inspection and maintenance records for silos, conveyors, mixers and loaders, emergency preparedness plan like fire, chemical spill, structural collapse. In case this happens, okay, you need to you need to check this one or include this one to your internal procedures. So training records of operators, technician and truck drivers. Okay, that is one of the most critical things that you need to have. And then sa susunod na video natin, pag-usapan naman natin yung regarding occupational health and safety in relation to batching plant. Okay guys, maraming salamat and have a safe day.